So in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to customize the RGB lighting effect in the POCO X8 Pro device. So this is the exact question which has been requested by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video, detailed RGB lighting video on this POCO X8 Pro, which I'm going to do in this video. So this will be the complete tutorial step by step. What are the things you should know about the RGB lighting effect in the POCO X8 Pro and the POCO X8 Pro Max. So both phones will be having exactly same settings which you have to follow to get this kind of settings. So first let's go to the settings option and try to go to the additional settings and click on the option which says backlight effects. So first thing is that you can actually enable or disable this option if you want or don't want. There is that kind of flexibility is there. If you don't want to use that, you can completely turn it off. If you want to use it, you can definitely on. And only when the screen is in face tone mode, also there's an option. For example, if you have to keep the phone in the reverse direction, like in that way, face down, the RGB lighting will be working. So if you want, you can even customize in that way, but mostly I'll try to click on option. Okay. And next thing you can actually customize for the incoming call reminders. So where you can actually choose the favorite contacts or all calls or the contacts. As you can see, all calls, even the unknown numbers also, you'll get the incoming call notification light. Whenever you get a call, the light will be blinking. So that will notify you that you are getting a call or in this POCO X8 Pro. Okay. And next option is for the contacts. Only for the contacts who are calling you, only for them, it will try to notify. Next is a favorite. This will be for the important people where you will you can easily recognize that someone from the favorite list is calling. So you can definitely take a call at that time. And one thing is that this light will blink only when you are getting a call. Okay. When you're getting a call, only it will blink. Once after the call has been cut, and if there is any missed call in the phone, the light will not blink. It will not show any kind of notification. So that's another thing which I thought of letting you know, because this doesn't perform as a full form notification. This only notifies you when you're getting a call. That's it. So I wish they could have implemented more that notifying you that there is a missed call, but they did not do that. This is only for the incoming call reminders, not for the missed calls. Okay. Next is the game lighting effects. So right now the game lighting effects is present in the Call of Duty gameplay. So there is no other games at this moment included, like PUBG Mobile is there, but the Call of Duty, skydiving and the combat mode only, the light will be activated on the back side. So that's how it will be activated. And next is the rhythmic lighting effect. So this kind of rhythmic lighting effect you can actually use for the music applications at this moment. So depending on the music application what you're having in your device, you can use that for the rhythmic lighting effect. And right now you can see the light is blinking at this moment because in the background the music is playing in the music player. If I try to stop it, the light will stop, as you can see. And right now I'm playing the volume really very 0% and light will not blink at that time. When there is no volume detected, the light will not blink. If I just increase the volume little bit, the light will start to blink. So that's how it is actually customized a lot. That's pretty good. So getting to know, but overall, this way I was able to use the RGB lighting continuously on my POCO X8 Pro device. And next thing is, let's go to the next option, which is the notifications. In the notifications, you do have a couple of options like Swiggy, messaging, and the messages. And there is no phone call application present. For example, like missed call alerts. So in these applications, whenever you get notification, the light will blink. But I wish there could have been like missed call alerts also, but that's not present. So for the application which you want to enable, you can enable, or if you want disable, you can disable. Individual application also, it's kind of allowed. No issues with that. So almost all of the applications will be supported with this kind of feature. Next is the camera status indicator. So whenever you're trying to take a camera shot, for example, let me to open the camera. And if you try to set the timer, okay, let's try to set the timer as well. Timer to 5 seconds. Now the camera light will blink, as you can see, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see. So it will blink 5 times. So that's how it's kind of useful in terms of the camera lighting effect. Camera status indicator. And finally with the colors. So for the incoming calls you can select, and for the app applications you can select. There are only 2 different colors which you can actually customize. I wish they could have included like more and more in-depth customization option. So in this device which is actually missing. So I wish like maybe for the WhatsApp red color, for the Instagram purple color, for the Facebook blue color, something like that, there should be some kind of customization option, but which is not there at this moment. definitely I was missing that kind of options in this POCO X8 Pro device. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what do you think about this one, and in case if you're interested or not on this FX. This is an overall quick review, guys, about this lighting effect, what you should know as well. So if you look at the previously, the POCO did implement similar kind of RGB lighting effect previously in the POCO F3 GT device. So right now in the POCO X8 Pro, this kind of complete ring. So previously it used to be only small ring on the back side, as you can see. Now the ring has been completed in the both the lens. That's what the difference is at this moment. So overall, this is a complete in-depth tutorial review about the settings, what you can actually get. There are so many settings customization option is there, but some of the settings which are missing is the two settings which I wish they could have included. So first thing is that missed call alerts. For example, incoming calls, instead of that, they should keep even the missed call alerts as well. That when you when you did not pick a call, they should be continuously blinking with the red color. Something like maybe the top one can be used for one application and the bottom one can be used for another application. In this way, they can actually customize like two different notifications. So that's how next level customization can be there. That's how you can, if there is an option such kind of like that, will be really very good. Like ring one settings and ring two another settings. That can be definitely next level of customization, which I wanted. For example, on the top ones, I can use some applications like important applications like WhatsApp, Gmail, few applications. And this bottom one can be used like for calling, messaging, and other application. That will definitely clarify like from which you are getting in terms of the notification. But at least right now they could have included the missed call alerts. That's not there. They could have given the option for the app notification colors for WhatsApp, green color, for the Facebook, blue color, something like that. They could have included in each and every individual application, selecting the color as well. That will definitely help a lot of other users in terms of knowing that from which application you got the notification. Instead of keeping a normal, like for all applications keeping the same color, instead of that, there should be like a red color for the Swiggy or green color for the messaging. If they give that kind of customization option, that will be definitely pretty good in the POCO X8 Pro. But they did not do that, unfortunately. But this is a all-out quick tutorial, guys. Everything about the tips and tricks, all the customization options of the RGB lighting effect in the POCO X8 Pro and in the POCO X8 Pro Max. So both phones will be able to use this kind of settings at this moment. Both are having exactly same type of RGB lighting effects in the settings. We can use the same settings for the both ones. So this is my complete review, guys, about the RGB lighting effect. And let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about the RGB lighting effect? Are you guys interested in this RGB lighting effect or not? So are you using it or not? Let me know in the comment section below. But meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned and see you in the next video, and bye.